ainena na cheni cha mauvo kwi umundi maniwa wandeni ya Kiislamu wa skulu o wa KMTC kwesieto Abdullahi Hassan ni wawetande kumanyani ya maniwa mahakama ya Kiislamu mekubatwa maikunika mitwe yonda weta kana wayumwe ya ono mwe kumanisio nikikio bikiyete na kusiyaka kukunika mitwe yo na weta kana nubathukanu na mea ya kendeni yo Hassan ni waweta kana Unamoa maniwa maome tamakisie kuthinwa ngeti kabinda kala mekulika skulu neo daweta ni kendo cha kumacha munonondo amaniwa ma aklisto maikisie kuthuimwa kabinda kala meulika kimanisio nikeke.
I'm Abdullahi Alim Hassan, class representative March 2017 nursing class, and we had a problem of issues of uniform, and our girls were being victimized of wearing the hijab, which is the veil as indicated in the rules and regulations. From last week, there were classes which were going on, and some of the girls were chased away from class, and we were supposed to do promotional exam. And since we have reported, we have never seen such issues. Our girls were dressing the way they were, and they were attending their classes as per the requirement of the KMTC rule and regulation, and we have never had such issues. Since last month, we had this issue of uniform. The girls were told, you know, you are not wearing uniform, as you put scarves, and when you look back to the rule and regulation, the scarf is even expelled. And yesterday we had a meeting with the county commissioner, and we have not get an agreement, and they are not explaining the reason why they are not wearing, our girls are not wearing this way.
Maniwani makulia silikale kwesila kula kwenzama ya KMTC nabikiye na kulikilela na kuthenikia thenao aiweta kana yume na midna kauta matabikia na kusoma.
KMTC wingi because second year doing nursing. Sisi tangu from tukuja hapa tulikuwa tu tunavaa venye tunavaa hijab zetu, hatujawahi kuwa na shida. Sasa juzi tu deputy principal alikuja ni new. Tangu akuja sijua anatutakia nini. Anasema hii si part of school uniform. Anasema mvae veil and this is the veil. And kwa school rules and regulation hakuna size zenye wamesema. Sasa anasema mjifunike mpaka hapa tu kwa head. Officially the rules and regulation there is no such thing. There is no measurement. Since Monday most of us have not been attending the classes just because we are putting on hijab. So we really need justice to be served. Hata leo kuna wenye walikataliwa kufunguliwa gate wasema you go and put on school uniform. Sasa tunashanga school uniform ni gani? Na tangu 2016 since this KMTC imeanza tulikuwa tu tunavaa hivyo.
Student from KMTC Mwingi. This issue started after the arrival of new deputy principal. Since last year we used to attend our classes wearing our hijab. We used to attend our classes from 6 to 6. Nobody ever raised this issue. Then when this new principal came to the school, she told us no wearing hijab. No person should enter the classes with hijab. So that is the issue.
Ripoti ya cheni cha mauvo, Bite David Wambua.